Hi all, welcome back. Today I am sharing complete step-by-step process of making Thalassery fish biryani. So please keep watching till the end. First I am going to marinate the fish. I have taken 1 kg fish, and the marination I am going to add a spoon of salt, a spoon of coriander powder, a spoon of red chili powder, half spoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 spoon garlic paste, half spoon ginger paste. Now if need arise, add few drops of water and then make a paste of the spice powders and apply it on the fish. Now let it marinate for half an hour or more and fry it. You only need to fry it until it is 70% cooked and then keep it aside. Now next process I am going to fry onions, cashews and raisins. This I am going to use later for layering the rice, but I am going to fry them now and keep them aside. I have taken around 4 big onions and I have sliced them nicely and I am going to fry them until they are golden brown. Now I am going to take them out, and in the same oil I am going to add handful of cashews and handful of raisins. Fry them and keep them aside. Now next process is to prepare the ghee rice. Now to prepare the ghee rice I am going to take a big pan. Into this I am adding 3 tablespoon oil, and when the oil is heated going to add few bay leaves, some cinnamon stick, a spoon of fennel seed and star anise. Fry this nicely, and into this I am going to add 3 cups of Jeera sambar rice which I have already washed, soaked and drained. Now fry the rice nicely. It is very important to fry the rice in oil. Now I am going to add 5 cups of water, some salt, and going to let it cook until it is nicely done. So for 3 cups of rice I am going to add 5 cups of water. Keep on checking in between. Cook it, and when the rice is nicely cooked you can open the lid and let it cool. Now let's prepare the gravy. This is very important. And for the gravy I am going to take around 6 green chilies in a mixer grinder. Also going to add 5 to 6 cardamom pods, 1 star anise. It gives a very nice flavor. And also going to add a spoon of black peppercorns, a spoon of fennel seed or soaf. Also going to add 1 spoon of cumin seed and 4 to 5 cinnamon sticks which are 1 inch long. Now for a nice thick gravy I am going to add half cup of cashew which I have nicely chopped, and also going to add half cup of curd. Now I am going to grind this into a thick paste. Now in the same pan in which I fried onion I am going to lower the flame and add 1 spoon of coriander powder, 1 spoon of red chili powder, half spoon of turmeric powder, some salt, and also going to add 1.5 spoon of garlic paste and 1.5 spoon of ginger paste. Now fry this well. Going to add the cashew paste and fry the gravy nicely until it starts to lose oil. Now once you achieve that, I am going to add 2 tomatoes which I have sliced. Fry it well and let it cook until the tomatoes are nicely soft. Now I am going to mix around 1 cup of water in the jar with remaining masala and add this. Now let it cook on low flame for few minutes. Now for the proper fish biryani flavor and taste, I am going to take 1 piece of fried fish, remove the bones and thorns and tear the fish into small pieces. Add this into the gravy and give it a good mix. Now that is ready. The gravy should be done. You can dip fish pieces into the gravy and keep them aside just before layering. Now let's start layering the rice. For this I am going to add first layer of cooked white rice, and then on top of it I am going to add the masala. This is the gravy that we prepared. Now give it a gentle mix, and next I am going to add the masala coated fish pieces, and I am going to top it with fried cashews and fried onions and raisins. Now top it off with chopped coriander leaves. Follow this process until you are completely finished with rice. Now cover it and let it cook for few minutes on very low flame. Now take it out and serve. I am sure you will enjoy this recipe. If you like this video, don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.